It's easy to see when someone has a cold or has broken their leg, but how do you know when someone is struggling with a mental health issue? There are 6 warning signs you can look for: social withdrawal, decrease in functioning, problems thinking, lack of interest, unusual behavior, and mood changes. Have you noticed a friend or family member who hasn't been around as much? Have they started spending a lot of time alone? This person may be experiencing social withdrawal. Has your roommate stopped attending her classes, or does your coworker keep coming in late? This person may be experiencing a decline in functioning. Have you noticed that your friend doesn't seem present in conversations? This person may be experiencing problems thinking. Has a family member suddenly stopped doing things they used to enjoy? Does a friend seem flat lately? This person may be losing interest. Has a friend been acting different lately, or have their moods not fit the situation? This person may be displaying unusual behavior or mood changes. These signs aren't always due to mental illness, but if you do notice any of these signs in a friend, coworker, or loved one, it is important to reach out and offer help. A person may not think that they need help or recognize the signs. The Mental Health First Aid Initiative has developed 5 first aid steps you can take when you recognize someone in mental distress. The most important step is to first determine the risk of suicide, self-harm, or harm to others. Preventing harm is most important. Asking someone if they are thinking of hurting themselves will not cause a person to become suicidal. If you feel that a person is in danger, please call emergency services at 911 or the Suicide Prevention Hotline at 1-800-273-8255. The second step is to listen. Start a conversation where the person feels comfortable and safe. If the person becomes angry or upset, it may not be the right time to talk to them. Remind them that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. The third step is to provide reassurance and information. Connecting the person to information and resources is an important step. Many mental health resources exist. Psychology Today Online offers a national directory of therapists, psychiatrists, therapy groups, and treatment facility options. Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration provides a treatment locator. The American Foundation for Suicide Prevention provides referrals to support groups, mental health professionals, and resources on loss and suicide prevention information. The Suicide Prevention Lifeline connects callers to trained crisis counselors 24/7 and also provides a chat function on their website. In an urgent crisis situation, call 911. The fourth step is to encourage the person to get appropriate help. Act as a support and help them make the important call to a mental health resource or find a healthcare provider. The final step is to encourage the person to care for themselves. Good self-care can include talking to their friends or family, participating in music, art, exercise, and/or relaxation, and getting enough sleep. With these 5 steps, you can help someone progress towards mental wellness. Simply saying, "I will help you," and pledging to help can change and save lives.
We pledge to
heighten awareness of mental illness.
Encourage others to speak about their experiences.
Listen and be open-minded.
Provoke a chain reaction.
We pledge to help.